Hello to all. Today we will do unit 17. Unit 17 Gregg Shorthand of Gregg Shorthand book anniversary edition, page 77, unit 17 giant paint def blends. Let's start. We will make each blend 5 times. Giant paint giant paint giant paint def tiv. Next. Okay, now we will make each word: spend, expand, happened, opened, cogent, legend, ripened, gentle, gentile. Done. You've done all of them. Now next set, a word drill. Cheapened, carpenter, pageant, impending, native, devout, divided, defraud, defray, endeavor. Now next set: defeat, differ, defy, divine, deficit, division, devise, defend, define. Now it's time for next page. Sensitive, restive, positive, creative, motive, captive, gentleman, dear Mr. Messrs, yours sincerely, your, very sincerely, your, very sincerely, your, respectfully, your, very respectfully, cordially, your cordially. Move, agent, spirit, credit, appear, beauty. Next set: difference, difference, approx, deliver, delivery, instance, instant, response, railway rule, quality, definite, tomorrow, influence, mistake, mistaken, altogether. We have completed the lesson. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Thank you.